I'm Alan. I'm from Denver, Colorado. I found more confidence at Xavier. I found more confidence to branch out, more confidence to believe in myself and my capabilities, and more confidence to be able to try new things and develop new talents in my college career. My favorite part of Xavier is the Cintas Center. The Xavier basketball games that happen in there are absolutely electric. And it's also a chance for me to enjoy a sport I love, which is basketball, and also interact with the whole Xavier community. It just never gets old, and it's just amazing to see how much Xavier comes together when it comes to one thing, which is basketball. My major is computer science. The most unique thing about my program is the hands-on experience I gain with my professors and faculty in the department, and it's helped me move into my sophomore year where I also want to branch out and experience the other fields that computer science has to offer. The one thing I love the most about Cincinnati is the city life. There's so much to do. It's a fun experience, and it's like you're never bored on campus and also outside of campus. One thing that makes me feel at home here at Xavier is the community, particularly the African Student Association. Being of Ghanaian descent myself, it's given me a chance to be able to express my culture to others just like me from Ghana, and also learn other cultures in the African region. Being a Musketeer ties to being able to serve your community in the best way possible. Wherever I go, people tie Xavier with success.